Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to replace daytime running light on a Volkswagen Passat. So first what you have to do, go inside your vehicle and start it. Mine is running already, and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right so you can get access to that bulb. Once you do that, you can turn it off, and I can actually show you which bulb you have to buy. Okay, here's the package for it. So it's just a normal bulb, 74.41. I paid it like $1.50 at Napa, or you can buy it at Parts Source, APD, or any other car parts store that's close to you. They should always have it in stock. So for this job you will need the Torx 25, and I will show you how to access that light bulb. Okay, the cover is right here, and I will try to zoom in on that screw, and the screw is here. Yeah, and that's why we had to turn the steering wheel to the right side, so we have enough space to work here. This is the cover. Once you unscrew it, this is how it looks. And now there is a hole through which you have access to that bulb. Now here you will see like a black cover that also has to be unscrewed, but there is no screws holding it, so you can just use your hand. So just turn it to the left side, and yes, you can see this is that cover. And then there's the bulb right there inside that hole. So you just have to stick your hand in there and unscrew it as well. Okay, so here is the bulb, and I'll be honest, it's not the easiest thing to do. I hope you have small and a strong hand, or you'll need to ask your wife to do it. Yeah, I'm trying to. You see, it has those like two big black holders or whatever, and you have to turn it anti-clockwise. Yeah, it took me like 20 minutes to do it. Other option that you can try, going from above, it's right under here. Yeah. So here and then deep inside, but it's easier from below. But yeah, good luck doing it. It's doable definitely, but it's gonna piss you off. So to put it back in, you just install a new bulb and turn that black piece clockwise once the light bulb is inside the socket. I can show you. I can try to show you here. I put mine already in. Yeah, once that is done, you can put back those two covers, and that's it. And make sure to check if the light bulb works before you screw it back in. So just start the car and make sure it's actually working, because you don't want to do this twice in a row. So here we go, both lights are working. It's a pain to change it, but the Volkswagen dealership would probably charge you like 1 hour labor to change a 50-cent light bulb, so it's better to do it yourself.